If you've been wondering how to do the brightened under eye look, then this video is for you. Hi guys, my name is Cindy Akpolo. Welcome to my channel. To start off with the base, I'm gonna be using a pore filler, and next I'm gonna be using a foundation. I'm using the Maybelline foundation. So first off, you want to use a foundation that is your exact shade and your exact undertone. That is your perfect skin match, so your face doesn't look too bright or you don't have like a white cast. I'm gonna be blending the foundation all the way down to my neck, making sure that there is no harsh lines and is perfectly blended to my skin. I'm gonna be using a concealer. I'm taking this one from Wet n Wild. This is a really good concealer. I've forgotten how good this is. So to start with the base, I'm gonna be using a concealer that is one shade lighter than my skin tone. I'm gonna be blending from the edges and making sure that there is no harsh lines. For starter, you want to make sure that whatever product you're applying on your face, there is no harsh lines and it's perfectly blended to your skin. I'm gonna be blending my entire face. You can see how my face is looking. There is no harsh lines. Next, for the star of the show, I'm going to be using a light concealer. So this concealer is 3 or 4 shades lighter than my skin tone. This is the concealer you're going to be using to get the bright under look. This makeup look is similar to the UK black girl makeup. We are bringing back the brightened under eye look, and this would give you no flashback. I'm going to blend this to my skin and making sure that there is no harsh lines again. So I went off camera to apply my cream blush the exact way I would do it. Actually did not contour my face for this makeup. I didn't go with a liquid contour. Next, I'm gonna be using a very light setting powder to set my face. You don't want to bake right away. This setting powder that I'm using is really light. Is from the Juvia's Place. I think is the Magic setting powder in Sahara. I'm sure. I think, yeah. When I go set my under eye, I'm gonna bake my under eye, and I'm using another light setting powder to bake my under eye. And when I'm done doing that, I'm gonna go off to finish the rest of my makeup. This is how the makeup is looking. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned one or two. Do let me know in the comment section down below.